Hey y'all, it's your girl Dej, and I'm back with another freaking video. If you're new to this channel, please make sure you like, comment, and the main thing is to subscribe. If you're returning back to this channel, welcome back. So as y'all see by the title, we're gonna be making garlic butter potatoes and steak. And for the vegetable, I'm gonna do broccoli. I hope we have broccoli. I didn't check, but so I got everything right here. We're gonna start off with the steak with marinating it. And it's in the refrigerator. Let me grab that. So for the steak, I just got this pack. The picture on Walmart on the thing, it made it seem like it was gonna be more. But it's okay because I got chicken as well, but it's defrosting. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get started with doing the steak first. So I'm just gonna, wash my hand and everything like that before proceeding. So give me 1 second. So here I did cut up my steak, and I cut up in little pieces. I should have got more of the steak, but it was good, so it's okay. So yeah, I had like 4 pieces of steak. Like, I was really upset. Like, Walmart really catfished me. Like, I should put a picture in the clip. Like, the picture it don't match what it was. Like, you know what I'm saying? But I did pay $10 for it, so I should have just, I don't know, but it's okay. So here, I meant to put this in a bowl, but I didn't do that. So yeah, I did sprinkle some pepper. I used 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I did put a little dab of soy sauce. It was supposed to be 1/3 of soy sauce, but I didn't have much. After that, I did place the lid. I shook it up a little bit for everything to, get in the meat, and then I just placed the top on, the lid on, for it to marinate, and I did set it in the refrigerator. Here I did go with my yellow potatoes. I believe I used 6 potatoes. I'm not good at cutting, but I'll say, like, cutting these potatoes, it was kind of very hard. It don't look like it was, but it was hard. Like, I'm not good at cutting at all. But I did cut them. I didn't use like the butt part of the potatoes. I don't know, but I threw that away. But I did cut it, and I cut them small. It was like a full pot, and y'all will see that soon. But yeah, I cut them small, and you'll see.
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up. Brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
the skillet warm up. This is the size skillet you should use. I'm not sure what these things called. My mom had them in the refrigerator, but I know it's like some garlic, whatever. But I used 2 of those. I put in a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of butter as well. I did let that melt down. I add in my potatoes after that, and then I let the potatoes cook down. It was like for 15, not 15, I wouldn't say 15, but 10 minutes at least. And I did take them back out as well, but you'll see that.
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up. Brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
So here I did go in with a tablespoon of butter and garlic, and then I went in with the pepper flakes. I just sprinkled it in there. I'm not gonna lie to you. It did have like a little spicy kick to it, but it was still good. I did get the meat from the fridge, and I just threw that in there as well and let that cook. And yeah.
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
Here I did go back in and put my potatoes back in the skillet. I went in with, I believe it was garlic powder. I did use some tahini. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Some rosemary. I forgot what else I used. I don't feel like going back downstairs to see what I had used, but I believe I also used some onion powder. No, I didn't use onion powder. I don't know, y'all, but I did put in some butter. It was like a tablespoon of butter, and I just let that cook. And I did put in some toner saturate as well, and then I just, you know, was whipping, flicking that wrist. So that's all I was doing. Y'all see how brown it is, like, oh. So I did add in the steak. Since it wasn't a lot, I did add it in. It actually turned out good. Like, look at that, y'all. Like, oh my god. And here is the green beans I cooked off camera. I guess you would call it string beans, I guess. Those was good too as well. I'm not sure, like, you know, I wish I had broccoli, but I didn't have broccoli. And here's the finished product of the potato and steak. Like, dang, that look good. Like, that made me want to go back downstairs, go eat some right now. Like, oh my god. So here I did go in and season the chicken. I had used garlic powder, Old Bay, onion powder. What else did I use? Y'all, I forgot what the hell I used. Some paprika. I did go on with some paprika. What else did I use? I said garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, Old Bay, Tony Sachet. I think that's all I use. I think that's all. But yeah, y'all will see it in the clip. If I'm missing something, it's okay.
Straight up.
And also right here, I just repeated the same step with the seasoning, and that was about it. So yeah.
Brings me to 30 hertz straight up.
I am using the same skillet, butter, and I did put in one of them pieces I told y'all. I don't know what the heck that is, but I just set the chicken in there. It really looks so good. Like, just look at it in the pot. Like, oh my god. Like, y'all, my chicken was good and moist. Like, it was so good. Like, I'm gonna go eat some more, but I'm full now, so I'm not gonna even do it to myself. But yeah, it was good, y'all.
Brings me to 30 hertz straight up.
not be perfect, but this is the finished product. It was good, y'all. It was so freaking good. Like, oh my god, like, it was so good. It was so good. Like, oh my god, it was so good. So yeah, as y'all see, I am done cooking. I'm looking very hit right now. I need to finish my wig, because I look a mess. I got a lot on my plate right now, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank y'all for watching. If you didn't tune in to the last video, which is the birthday vlog, please make sure y'all do. It will be a link down below, and I'll also insert a clip or whatever. The food actually turned out good. It was very good. But yeah, so y'all just make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. Just comment what you want to see from this channel. We're gonna grow together. We are family. And yeah, like I said, thank y'all for watching. Bye.